Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Netflix. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Netflix and you will click in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we go to clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.